So now let's see how we can go ahead and apply fabric effect inside of Corel Draw. So in order to go ahead and apply the fabric effect, you need to go around over here under effects and then go around over here under creative. So once you go around over here, you can see that fabric is an option. And then you can see that as I zoom in, you can see that these become like fabrics of blocks right here. So right now the style is quilt, but you can go around and choose another type of fabric right here, just like this as well, like rug hooking or strings right here. You can go for ribbons or let's say tissue collage right here, and that is what you have. You can change around the size as well and change around the completeness of this fabric as well, and change around the brightness as you want as well, and even change around the rotation of these fabrics just like this. So this is how you can simply go ahead and apply the fabric effect right here. You can go for ribbons as well, and you can change around the size of the ribbons, change around the brightness of the ribbons right here just like this as well, and then go for rug hooking as well, change around the size of the rug hooking just like this, and get that particular fabric effect inside of Corel Draw. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.